What's up, everyone? My name is Thabit, and I speak about Agile and business and how to tune Agile to your business. So in this video, we are going to talk really briefly about the O.O.D.A loop for Scrum Masters and Agile coaches. It is a very nice and simple tool to use as a Scrum Master and Agile coach. O.O.D.A is the abbreviation of Observe, Orient, Decide, and Act. It is a four-step approach to decision making, originally invented by John Boyd, a military strategist in the United States Air Force colonel. There is a lot of books that you can read about this. So observation, orientation, decision, and actions. Whatever you do begins with an observation. So everything you do in your life is begins with an observation. So you start seeing the situation as it exists. Then you move to the orientation to focus on the biggest problem or priority in this situation. Then you decide what to do. And from this decision, we drive actions for making some experiments. And that's really very important thing and very important loop. For Scrum Master and Agile coaches, observations is about seeing the potential problems, challenges by actively observing the dynamic of the team and its the interaction between people and with all parties that impact or get impacted by what the team is doing. The orient is about finding the most critical problem to focus your effort on and to do some root cause analysis, because this is very important. Is the problem really the problem? Perhaps it is sometimes a symptom, or it is an undesirable effect. So focus your effort in finding the problem and be sure that it is a problem and find its root cause. The team has a limited effort and energy, and you also, as a Scrum Master or as an Agile coach, you have a limited time and limited effort and energy. So it is very important to focus your effort on the most critical thing. You cannot solve everything at once. You need to have priority. You need to focus your effort on the thing that once solved can make the biggest impact to bring the people near of reaching its goals. And when the best thing or the best place to start with is the constraint on your team, it is the weakest link in your team. And perhaps it is the weakest link on the whole business. And by fixing it and working on it, you will make a big improvement, not only for your team, but also for your business. The next step is decide, is about deciding what to do, what to experiment with. And this is very logical step. You need to list all your decisions to make this problem disappear collaboratively with your team. You need to work with your team, find solutions, and decide together what to do. The act step is when the decision touches the reality. It is the experimentation phase. It is the concretization part. It is where the experiments and decisions get manifested. This is where you see the impact of your decisions touching the reality. So O.O.D.A is a loop. It is a loop. All the steps should be repeated. After you act from the first loop, you need to observe again what is the impact, what are the learnings, and then try to orient. Where can I orient my focus? At this problem, at this problem, at this problem, or at this problem. And then try to decide on things that could solve or in solution that could solve this problem. And again, you act and you see what happens in the reality, in the real context, and in in a concrete ways. This is the core of Agile. It is a feedback driven approach. We need feedback by acting, by taking actions to remove problems. I hope you find value in this. Please share with people you think get value from this. Please subscribe to my channel and get notified by my new videos. Again, around the topic of Agile and business, we have a lot of nice topics that coming in the future. Thank you very much. Bye bye.